Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. So in this video, we are asked to solve the equation simultaneously. So let's get started. Let us consider equation 1. So we have that this is log y in base 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus log x in base 2. Now, from the right-hand side, we can open up the bracket using the 2 here. So we have that this is log y in base 2 equal to 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 times log x in base 2 is giving us 2 log x or in base 2. Now, record that since we have the basis of 2 here, we can have that the value 2 is equal to 2 times log 2 to base 2. This is because logarithm to its base is 1. So log 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So therefore, 2 times 1 is still 2. And also from the index law of logarithm, this can be expressed as log 2 to the power of 2 or in base 2. So therefore, this becomes log 4 or in base 2. So thus, our equation now becomes log y in base 2 is equal to log 4 in base 2 plus log x squared or in base 2. So at this point, we can apply the multiplication law of logarithm at the right-hand side. So this is log y in base 2 equal to log 4x squared or in base 2. Please recall that the law states that if I have log m in base a plus log n in base a, this can be expressed as log m times n or in base a. So this law was applied at this point. Thus, since their bases are the same, we can have that y is equal to 4s squared. Let's call here equation 3. Now, going back to our equation 2 states that y is equal to x plus 3. So y is equal to x plus 3. This is our equation 2. Now, to obtain the value of x, we can equate equation 3 and 2. So we have that this is 4x squared equal to x plus 3. So this becomes 4x squared. If we move the expression here to the left-hand side, this becomes minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, we have an equation that is quadratic in terms of x. So we can use any of the method to obtain the value of x. So at this point, we are using the factorization method. So we look at for two integers, which their sum is equal to -1, and their product is equal to -12. So the two integers are -4 and +3. So therefore, our equation becomes 4s squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. So at this point, we can factorize. This becomes 4x, open bracket, x minus 1 plus 3, open bracket, x minus 1 equal to 0. So we have it that the equation now becomes 4x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 1 equal to 0. Now recall that if a times b is equal to 0, it is true that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Thus, we have that 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that 4x is equal to -3 So x is equal to negative 3 divided by 4. And at this point also, we have that x is equal to 1. So we have been able to obtain the values of x, which is negative 3 divided by 4, and x equal to 1. Now, to obtain the values of y, we will substitute x into equation 3. Now, from our question, recall that our equation 3 is giving us y equal to 4x squared. So we have it that y is equal to 4s squared. So thus, when x is equal to minus 3 divided by 4, we have it that y is equal to 4, open bracket, minus 3 divided by 4, all squared. So this becomes y equal to 4 times minus 3 squared is 9, and 4 squared is 16. So therefore, we have it that 4 cancel itself is 1, 16 divided by 4 is 4. So therefore, y is equal to 9 divided by 4. Now, also, when x is equal to 1, we have it that y is equal to 4, open your bracket, 1 squared. So y is equal to 4 times 1, because 1 squared is 1, so y is equal to 4. Thus, we have been able to obtain the values of x and also obtain the values of y. So x is equal to minus 3 divided by 4, and x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 9 divided by 4, and also y is equal to 4. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you know you found the video helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exam solutions like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.